This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Robert Keller. Excellent value FOR 3 bedroom/2 bath/1 CAR upper floor condo with spacious 1,863 square feet floor plan. This condo is offered turnkey and is nicely furnished. Enjoy sunny southeast rear exposure from your tiled rear lanai with view of lake. Newer AC system and hot water heater. This unit is ready to be your new Florida home. Comes with bundle golf membership. Located in the highly desired resort community of Colonial Country Club, which offers 18 holes of championship golf, clubhouse with dining, multiple pools, fitness center, tennis, pickleball, bocce, miles of walking trail through wooded preserve and more. This community boasts a convenient location, high-quality amenities and moderate fees. Must see. For more information, review the details below.